Welcome to my channel. How to put HP printer in setup mode. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Make sure your printer is powered on. Press the power button if it's not already on. Step 2. Access the control panel. On the printer's control panel, find the Setup or Settings button. This might be represented by a gear icon or similar symbol. Step 3. Select Wireless Setup. Navigate to the wireless or network settings on the control panel. Choose Wireless Setup Wizard or Network Setup to start the setup process. Step 4. Complete setup. Once the printer connects to your Wi-Fi network, it should confirm that it's successfully set up. Step 5. Check for display options. If your printer has a touchscreen, swipe or navigate through the display to find and select Setup or Network Settings. Step 6. Use printer buttons. If your printer has physical buttons, press the wireless button, often marked with a wireless icon, and then the Setup button to enter setup mode. Step 7. Reset to factory settings. If you're having trouble, you might need to reset the printer to its factory settings. This option is usually found under Setup a Printer Maintenance or similar. Step 8. Install printer software. Download and install the HP Smart App or printer software on your computer. Use it to complete the setup and ensure your printer is recognized on your network. Step 9. Print a test page. Once setup is complete, print a test page from the printer's settings to ensure everything is working correctly. Thank you for watching.